Hi there, this is Alex with Pennsy Layout Update. Today I'm actually completely remodeling that outer track. This piece a little bit higher than this, so it's kind of negative embankment if I can say that. And especially diesels and like short steam locomotives, but bigger steam locomotives, especially like Hudson type, it will be a problem to run it. First of all, with the Dremel, I just cut pieces here. This is Atlas track, and I'm adding PECO track. And I put PECO joiners. This is the toughest part to prepare all those joiners here. Okay? Then I scrape everything with a knife blade like this. The reason it just, if it's flat, you can easily damage and cut extra stuff, but this is just perfect blade for this job. Here we go. This is my new two joiners, new connection with PECO track, and ballasted is Atlas track. Alright, so I'll vacuum everything and took all debris carefully, so it looks very good right now. Nothing set up, it's just sitting. I like the PECO track. It's not really flimsy like Atlas, which is good for beginners, and for experts, micro engineering, but again, you need some experience to try to lay down first time. You need a lot of practice, guys. And this is my solder joiner, both sides. Then now it's curving kind of by itself very good. Alright, it's all done. I'm using Rocco block to clean it. Even it's shiny, it still has oxidized, like transparent film. So I secure with those pins around, and we'll run on like not super slow, but kind of slow speed. So we're looking for areas like here. It's not wobbling, it's just running great. I'm going to change to with ASU. So no issues if it's losing contact or something. Alright. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.